Welcome to the garage. This is where the magic happens, where old-school engineering meets cutting-edge technology, and where car lovers come to debate, dream, and decide. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest debates in the car world: gas versus electric. It's a conversation that's sparking opinions everywhere, from car meets to family dinner tables. On one side, you've got the classic gasoline-powered car, loud, familiar, and full of history. These machines are all about the rumble of the engine, the smell of fuel, and the thrill of shifting gears. For many, they're more than just transportation, they're a way of life. On the other, the electric vehicle, quiet, modern, and changing the game. EVs glide almost silently, powered by batteries and software, and they're rewriting the rules of what a car can be. They promise instant torque, fewer moving parts, and a new kind of driving experience. Choosing a car isn't just about color or style anymore. It's about how you want to move through the world and what kind of future you want to support. Now, it's about what powers your ride: fossil fuels or electricity. Each choice comes with its own set of trade-offs, from convenience to cost to environmental impact. This decision affects your wallet, your driving experience, and even the air we breathe. Gas prices can swing wildly, while charging an EV might mean plugging in at home or searching for a fast charger on the road. And let's not forget the bigger picture: our cities, our climate, and the legacy we leave behind. People are passionate. Some love the roar of an engine, others the silent hum of an EV. For some, it's nostalgia and tradition. For others, it's about embracing the future and new technology. Here in my garage, I've got everything from vintage steam cars to the latest electrics. It's a living museum of automotive evolution, and every car has its own story to tell. Each car tells a story about its era and technology. From analog gauges to digital screens, from carburetors to lithium-ion batteries. The journey's incredible. The gas versus electric debate is just the next chapter in that story. It's a reflection of how our needs, values, and technology keep evolving. It's about progress, innovation, and the future of driving. The choices we make today will shape the roads of tomorrow. So, let's get into it. Money, performance, environment, and daily life. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here, and that's what makes this debate so interesting. My goal? Give you the facts, the pros and cons, and a real-world look at both sides so you can decide what's best for you and your lifestyle. Let's pop the hood, or the frunk, and see what's inside. Whether you're a die-hard gearhead or just curious about the future, there's something here for everyone. First up, the price tag. Electric cars usually cost more upfront than similar gas cars, mostly because of their expensive batteries. That sticker shock can be tough to swallow, but governments often offer tax credits and rebates for EVs, sometimes knocking thousands off the price. These incentives can shrink the gap between gas and electric cars. So, don't just look at the sticker, factor in those credits. Think of it like buying a high-quality tool, more expensive at first, but potentially a better investment. The real question is total cost of ownership, not just what you pay on day one. As battery tech improves, prices are coming down. The upfront cost is just the start of the story. Let's see what happens after you drive off the lot. Here's where electric cars really start to shine: running costs. For many drivers, this is where the biggest savings can be found, and it's a major reason why more people are making the switch to electric vehicles. With gas cars, you're making regular trips to the pump, and fuel prices can swing wildly from week to week. Sometimes, it feels like you're always watching the numbers climb at the gas station, never quite sure what you'll pay next time. Over the course of a year, those fill-ups add up fast. Depending on how much you drive, gas alone can cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars, and that's before you factor in the time spent waiting in line or searching for the cheapest station. Electric cars, on the other hand, let you plug in at home, often overnight, while you sleep. Electricity rates are usually much more stable than gas prices, and charging at home is almost always cheaper per mile than filling up with gasoline. Maintenance is another area where electric vehicles pull ahead. The difference is bigger than you might think. Gas engines are complicated machines. They need regular oil changes, new spark plugs, timing belts, air filters, and a long list of other parts that wear out or need attention. Electric motors are much simpler. There's no oil to change, no spark plugs to replace, and no exhaust system to worry about. Fewer moving parts means fewer things that can break down. That translates to fewer trips to the mechanic and far fewer surprise repair bills. For many EV owners, routine maintenance is mostly about checking the basics. You'll still need to keep an eye on your tires and brakes, just like any car. But those big, expensive engine repairs? With an EV, they're a thing of the past. Over time, all these savings add up. Electric vehicles can save you a lot on both fuel and upkeep, putting more money back in your pocket every year. That means less time at the mechanic, less stress about unexpected costs, and more freedom to enjoy your car and your life. When you add it all up, it's clear. Electric cars are a win for your wallet, your schedule, and your peace of mind. Next, let's talk about how electric cars actually feel to drive, and why that's another area where they stand out. Driving an electric car is a whole new experience. Press start, no engine noise, just silence. The car glides forward smoothly like a magic carpet. It's relaxing, no rumble, no vibration, just you and the road. Conversations are easier, music sounds better, and traffic feels less stressful. But don't mistake quiet for slow. EVs have instant torque. Touch the pedal and you're off. No waiting for gears or revs. Acceleration is quick and effortless. The battery under the floor gives a low center of gravity, making the car feel stable and planted. Less body roll, more confidence in corners. The combination of silence, instant power, and smooth handling feels futuristic. It's a different kind of thrill, one that's all about precision and calm. For many, it's a game changer. But what about the classic gas car experience? Gasoline cars are all about connection and sensation. Turn the key, hear the engine roar. There's history and emotion in that sound. You feel the vibrations, the shifting gears, the mechanical feedback. Driving a gas car is interactive. You're part of the machine. The engine note changes with every press of the pedal, making each drive unique. For enthusiasts, this is the soul of driving. The sound, the feel, the raw excitement. EVs can't quite replicate it. But that same noise and vibration can get tiring in traffic or on long commutes. Gas cars are machines of combustion, exciting, but not always relaxing. It's a different kind of experience, and for some, it's irreplaceable. Now, let's talk about the environment. Here's where electric cars have a clear edge. Emissions. Gas cars burn fuel and release pollutants, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and more. These contribute to smog and climate change. EVs have zero tailpipe emissions, nothing coming out as you drive. In cities, this means cleaner air and quieter streets. But it's not all perfect. Electricity has to come from somewhere. If your grid uses coal or gas, there are still emissions, just at the power plant. The good news, grids are getting cleaner with more renewables. Battery production has its own environmental impact, especially mining. But recycling and new battery tech are improving things fast. No car is perfectly green, but EVs are moving us in the right direction. Now, let's tackle range anxiety.